If you've ever needed to add your own signature to a PDF, but didn't want to pay for expensive software or print and scan anything, you are in exactly the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to sign any PDF quickly, securely, and totally free, using Adobe Acrobat's online fill and sign tool. Let's dive in and make this process simple. First up, open your web browser and head over to the Adobe Fill and Sign tool. You can simply search for Adobe Online Sign PDF, and it should be right near the top. This tool is available directly on Adobe's website, so you don't have to download or install anything, which makes it accessible whether you're using a Windows PC, Mac, or even a Chromebook. Think of it like pulling out a digital notepad from your pocket anytime you need to sign an important document. Once you land on that page, the next step is uploading your PDF. You'll see a button labeled Select a File Size, but you can also just drag and drop your document into the drop zone if you find that easier. This feature makes things super streamlined, especially if your file is sitting right on your desktop. Just be patient for a moment as your PDF uploads. It may take a few seconds depending on file size and your internet speed. After your file is uploaded, you'll be prompted to sign in with your free Adobe account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. It only takes a minute to set up, and you won't need a paid subscription. Signing in is crucial, as it protects your documents and allows Adobe to securely manage your signatures. Plus, it's a quick point of authentication that helps keep everything compliant and traceable. Now, with your PDF open on screen, look to the top toolbar for the Sign button. Clicking on it reveals the option to Add Signature. Here's where things get interesting. A pop-up dialog appears, and you've got 3 ways to create your unique signature. You can type your name and select a cursive font style, which works well if you want something neat and professional. Or, if you're looking for a bit more originality, you can draw your signature using your mouse or touchpad. It's not quite like signing with a pen, but it's close. And for those who prefer authenticity, there's the option to upload an image of your actual handwritten signature. Maybe you've scanned it in or snapped a picture with your phone. As you pick an option, think about which method matches the look you need, whether it's for a job offer, lease agreement, or any other important document. Once your signature looks how you want, go ahead and click Apply. Your signature will pop onto the PDF as a movable field. Take a moment to drag it exactly where it needs to go, maybe down by the signature line or in a designated box. You can also resize it to fit nicely. Just click and drag the handles. Don't worry if it's off-center at first. You can adjust it until it's perfect. If your PDF is a fillable form, the toolbar offers more than signatures. You can add your initials, type in additional details like the date, or check boxes, all handy for business contracts or rental agreements that might need more than just your signature to be complete. And finally, once everything's in place, click Next. You'll be able to download your newly signed PDF or instantly generate a secure link to share the document with others. This signed PDF is legally valid in most business and personal contexts thanks to worldwide standards like e-sign and UETA. So you can feel confident when sending it over. That's all it takes. Signing a PDF online is not only easy, but it's safe and recognized, just like a real pen and paper signature. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like. And if you have any questions about the process or other PDF tools, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech tips. See you in the next video.